Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Scenario 1. Discussing the weather forecast.
Hi, Mark. Have you checked the weather forecast for this weekend?
Hey, Alice! Not yet. I've been meaning to. Is it supposed to be nice?
Well, according to the forecast, it's going to be sunny with temperatures in the mid-70s.
That sounds perfect. I've been wanting to go for a hike, and sunny weather would be ideal.
Same here. I was thinking of having a picnic in the park with some friends. Would you like to join us?
That sounds like a lot of fun. Count me in.
Great. Let's hope the forecast stays accurate.
Absolutely.
Scenario 2. Dealing with unpredictable weather.
Hi, James. Did you remember to bring an umbrella today?
Hey, Sarah? No, I forgot. Is it supposed to rain?
It wasn't in the forecast, but you know how unpredictable the weather can be lately.
Tell me about it. Just last week, it was sunny in the morning, and by noon, it was pouring rain.
Exactly. I've learned to always carry an umbrella or a rain jacket with me, just in case.
Smart move. I'll have to remember that for next time.
Well, if it does start raining, I've got an extra umbrella you can borrow.
Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate it. Let's hope we won't need it today.
Scenario 3. Planning activities based on weather.
Hi, Emily. What are your plans for this weekend?
Hey, Chris. I'm not sure yet. It depends on the weather.
I know what you mean. I was thinking of going to the beach if it's sunny.
That sounds lovely. I haven't been to the beach in ages. Fingers crossed for good weather.
Yeah, let's hope so. If it's not sunny, I might just stay home and catch up on some reading.
That sounds like a cozy plan too. Maybe I'll join you, and we can have a little book club meeting.
That sounds great. Whether rain or shine, it'll be a fun weekend.
Absolutely. Let's keep an eye on the forecast and make our plans accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.